Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I just wanted to share a couple things I picked up today while I was out. I went to CitiTrends and Dollar Tree, and these are the items that I bought. So I picked me up a necklace earring set that was $4.99. I also got this red book bag from CitiTrends. This was $14.99. I love the texture and the color of it. It has multiple pockets and is pretty spacious. I also bought me a pair of shades. These were $3.99. And when I stopped at Dollar Tree, this is all the stuff that I bought for midnight. Starting with this, I got him a new cat wand, even though he don't really need it. I got it anyway. I also got him this Cecil rope cat toy. I never bought him one of these before, so I thought I would see if he would like it. I got him this bird one. I never bought him one like this before either, so we're gonna see how that comes out. And this one as well, this little furry one. I bought him one similar to this before, and I also bought him a new cat collar because the one that he has now is in pretty bad shape. I know everybody Dollar Tree is different, so they may not have the same items available for pets. I also thought about doing a video to show y'all what the locations where I am sell, what they sell for cats. I'll do that next time I go shopping. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.